Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, today we are going to discuss the following topic: bitwise operator, exclusive OR. So for exclusive OR, we use cap symbol. So bitwise operator, exclusive OR in Java program. So let us start with bitwise operators, exclusive OR. So for exclusive OR, we have to use cap symbol. So first of all, bitwise operators perform operations on bit levels of given numbers or operands or values. So bit levels means binary bits of a given number, zeros and ones. So hence these operators works mainly on integers only, byte, short, int, long. So only integers can be converted into binary values. Okay, so here binary representation of integer values or bit level representation of integer values is done like this. Example goes like this. Let us say that we have 10. So 10 is represented as 1010 or 00001010, which is 8-bit representation or 1 byte representation of binary or bit levels of 10. Similarly 18 is represented as 00010010, which is 8-bit representation or 1 byte representation of 18 decimal number in binary format. Okay, so now let us try to understand how to work with exclusive OR operator. So to work with exclusive OR operator, okay, we have a truth table. So let us apply this truth tables on two bit levels of a given number, bit 1, bit 2, exclusive OR. So how this exclusive OR works for us? If all the bits are same, then it is given as 0. Then it will give the result as 0. Similarly, if any one of the bit levels is different, then it will give the result as 1. Okay, right. So let us start with this example. First one, 1 1. All the bits are same, so the answer is 0. Second one, 1 0. Either of the bits are different. Any one of the bit is different, so it will give the answer as 1. Third one, 0 1. So either of the bits are not same, they are different, so we'll get it as 1. Last case, 0 0. All the bits are same, which is 0, then it will give the result as 0. So this is how bitwise exclusive OR works. If all the bits are same, ones or zeros, the result is 0. If any one of the bits are different or changes, 1001, then it is 1. Right. So now let us try to implement this with a small example. Let us take an integer value 10 as A, 18 as B. So the representation of 10 is done like this: 0000 1010. Okay, so counts the one value. So here the one value is 8 and here the one value is 2. So 8 plus 2, answer is 10. Similarly for 18, 00001010. So count the ones value. So ones value here is 16 plus 2. So 16 plus 2, the answer is 18. So let us try to apply exclusive on OR on this. So let us start with 10 18, first bit 0 and 0 both are same, so the answer is 0. Next, 0 and 0 both are same, so the result is 0. Next, 0 0 both the bits are same, the answer is 0. 0 1 either of the bits are different, so the answer is 1. Next, 1 0 either of the bits are different, so the answer is 1. Next, 0 0 both the bits are same, so the answer is 0. Next, 1 and 1, so 1 exclusive or 1, so both are same, so the answer is 0. Last one, last bit, 0 and 0 both the bits are same, so the answer is 0. So let us try to calculate the value for this. Okay, wherever we have 1, count its value. So 1, 16 plus 8. Okay, so 16 plus 8, the answer is 24. So let us try to implement this in the form of a Java program and check whether 10 exclusive or 18 is 24 or not. So let us take the program name as bitwise XOR example1.java. Right. So program to demo bitwise exclusive or operator. So let us take a new page. Okay. First write the comments. Let us write the main class with main method. So our main class name is bitwise XOR example1. Right. So inside this we'll write the main method public static void main string of args. It goes like this. So bitwise XOR example1. So let us save this in our working directory. Bitwise XOR example1.java. Right. So let us take two integer variables. Int a is equals to 10. Int b is equals to 18. Okay. Right. So directly system.out.println a exclusive or b. So let us print a exclusive or b in println method. So save the program, open the command prompt, go to your working directory where we have saved the program, compile the program. So bitwise XOR example1.java. No error, run the program. Java bitwise XOR example1. So the answer is 24. Okay, so if both the bits are same, if all the bits are same, then it will give the result as 0. If any one of the bits are changing, either 0 or 1, change in bits, then it will give the result as 1. Right, so this is what is all about bitwise exclusive or operator in Java program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.